Evening children, welcome in my YouTube channel Gurukul Learning Academy. Children, today we will learn Standard 6 Geography textbook lesson number 9 Energy Resources. Now we'll see question for this lesson. First question is, what resources will have to be used for the following works? So I have taken all the answers for you children. Now see the answers and start writing in your notebook. First, the Rohan wants to fly a kite. Answer is wind. People in an advisory hamlets have to be protected from the cold. Wood. Cooking on a picnic. Wood, coal, etc. Salma wants to iron her clothes. Electricity, coal. Starting a railway engine. Electricity, coal, etc. Heating water for a bath. Wood, biogas, etc. After a sunset, making light available inside the house, kerosene, electricity, etc. Now we'll see first question. Which energy resources does man use most and why? So we'll see the answer for this question, children. Answer is man uses coal the most. It is because coal is comparatively easily available everywhere in greater quantities. Second question, what are the energy resources needed? Now we'll see the answer here. The energy resources are needed to satisfy the need of man. Energy resources are needed for heating water, for cooking food, for driving vehicles, for running machineries, etc. Third question, why do we need to use environment-friendly energy resource? Answer for this question is here. The use of biofuel leads to pollution. Increasing pollution upsets the balance of nature and it adversely affects all the living things including humans. Therefore, to maintain the balance of nature, we need to use the environment-friendly energy resource. We'll see question number C. Explain the difference using the point in the brackets. First, minerals, oil and solar energy. Second, hydel power and power from geothermal sources. तो बच्चों इसका आंसर हम देखते हैं. पहला लिखेंगे mineral, oil and solar energy. First, availability. The availability of mineral oil is limited. The availability of solar energy is unlimited. Second point, environment friendliness. The use of mineral oil is not environment friendly, but the use of solar energy is environment friendly. Third, advantages and disadvantages. The use of mineral oil leads to pollution, but the use of solar energy is pollution free. Now we'll see the second answer. Hydel power and power from geothermal sources. Availability. Availability of hydel power is comparatively limited. The availability of power from geothermal sources is unlimited everywhere. Second, environment friendliness. Now, hydel power is comparatively environment friendly. Power from the geothermal sources is comparatively less environment friendly. Third, advantages and disadvantage. The cost, the power of generation using hydel power is comparatively low. The cost of power generation using the power from geothermal sources is comparatively high.